Let's get in the kitchen and make some Haitian spaghetti. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Haitian spaghetti. For this recipe, I'm using smoked sausage. I also have scallion, red onion, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, red and green bell pepper, a white onion, and garlic. The full measurements and ingredients will be down below in the description box for you guys to check out. Usually for Haitian spaghetti, they use Epis, which is the Haitian green seasoning, but today I'm using Jamaican green seasoning that I blended because it's basically the same variation of green seasoning. I already had it on hand, so I'm using that. For added flavor, I'm also using all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, cayenne pepper, chicken bouillon, and sazon. I'm also using tomato paste, vegetable oil, and most importantly, spaghetti. For the spaghetti, we're bringing some water to a boil and adding some salt in, also adding in some vegetable oil. Keeping the spaghetti whole, we're just going to add it to the boiling water to cook. After about 5 minutes, I just use a fork to just move the spaghetti around just to make sure that they are not sticking together. The vegetable oil is also going to help prevent it from sticking together. You can follow the box instructions for how long to cook the spaghetti if you'd like, but usually I cook spaghetti for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once the spaghetti is finished cooking, I just drain the water off and then just put it to the side. Next, I'm adding some vegetable oil to a frying pan and then just moving it around just to get everything nice and greased. Next, I added in all the chopped seasonings, added in the green seasoning, and then I just combine the green seasonings with all the other chopped seasonings. Everything is in the frying pan right now except for the scotch bonnet pepper, which we're going to add in a little bit later. You can go ahead and fry the sausage first if you'd like, or you can fry separately, but I added it to the same frying pan and I'm just getting them browned on each side for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm adding in the tomato paste and then combining it all together. Using the water from the spaghetti, I'm just adding that in and then I'm just combining everything all together to kind of form a little sauce. We don't want it too watery and we don't want it too thick, so this is just the perfect consistency. Next, we're adding in some seasonings for added flavor. And then once again, we're just mixing everything in to combine it all together. Now we're adding in the spaghetti and then just mixing everything all together to get the sausage in there, get all that flavor in there. And I also added in the scotch bonnet pepper, as you can see, just to add some flavor in. We're not going to cut it and we're not going to burst it. This is just for flavor. Once everything is nice and mixed in, this is how your spaghetti should look. All the sauce is combined in there, the sausage, all the seasonings, everything is all mixed together. This is the finished spaghetti. As always, if you guys try this recipe, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video.